Hello guys, welcome to my kids incubator videos, and here I have a refractometer. Right here I have a refractometer, and I'm going to show you how to calibrate it. So without talking much, let's get on to the video. So here I have two clean water in a cup, right, and I have salt. The reason why we have salt here is to help us check the saltiness in each. This water will read 0%. This one will read a different number. So without talking much again, let's mix one of them with salt, a lot of salt. So at least maybe half of the spoon. You mix it with this water. So you mix it till it dissolves. Then you bring out your refractometer. So if you want to know where you can get this, I'll leave the link down below in the description, and you can be able to get it from my kit shop or Amazon or anywhere else. So here is our refractometer. This is how it looks like, with the screen here where you be able to test it, and here where you can look through it. So without talking much, I would like to show you how it looks inside. So here we have, you can see it's pure blue, right? From zero it's pure blue. So look at what happens when I add water to it. So sorry I didn't explain what was inside. So we have this tube that can help us suck the water and then put it onto the screen, right? So, and we have our tool here for calibrating it, and in that way, when you see this, you see there's a cap here. When it reads below 0, when it reads abnormal, you take this tool and then calibrate it to 0, which is the normal water. That means there's no salt in the water, so you have to calibrate it to 0. So let's see what happens when I add water to it. So now this is something common people use. So I'm going to suck this water, which is the clean water, as you saw, the clean water. So let me do it again. Clean water. So you can see it's inside. Then we are going to pour it here, and then you close it, and then you see the spot. That means the water is in. Then you look through. When you look through, you're gonna see that there's a little bit change in the color. Hold on, let me get this focus. So you can see it's 0. So you can see there's no salt in it. But let's see what happens when I add the salty water. So you're gonna take the clean rag and then clean the screen and clean this side, and then we're gonna pick. So you see there's still water inside. Make sure you empty it and shake it, and then pick the salty water, just a drop, and then drop it onto the screen, and then you close it gently so that it doesn't spread that much. So you see, now let's see the salt level. So you can see it has moved from 0 way up close to 15, but it's 10.5. So you can see it's 10.5%. So that's the amount of salt in it. So let's see what happens when I try to calibrate it. Okay, hold on. So you can see when I try to twist it, it tries to move the white substance up or down. So if I add too much salt and I try to open it, it increases, right? But we know the salt level is 10.5, and I've increased it down to 10. So the salt level is 10. And let's see what happens when I test it again with clean water. So clean water, and then close, and then check. Yeah, you see, so it shouldn't be that. It shouldn't read on that writings. It shouldn't be on that writing. So we are going to calibrate it to 0. Calibrate it to 0. Yeah, so yeah. So as you can see, that's how it is done. So if you need anything on how to calibrate it again, or you don't understand anything, please comment down below or leave a comment, and check the description for more information about this refractometer, and you will get answers to it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely please leave a comment so that I know you really want to know more about the refractometer. So thanks for watching. Be safe. Bye.